Welcome to my channel. Let's learn and think positive. Welcome to today's inspirational video on Unity Against Discrimination. Unity is not just about numbers, it's about hearts and minds coming together to build a world where everyone belongs. Let's join hands, celebrate our differences, and work towards a future where discrimination is a relic of the past. Strength in numbers. Unity amplifies voices, making them impossible to ignore. Together, we can raise awareness, challenge unfair practices, and demand change. Empathy fuels action. Step into the shoes of those facing discrimination. Understanding their struggles inspires us to take action and stand up for what's right. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself and others about the forms and consequences of discrimination. Awareness is the first step towards dismantling discriminatory systems. Speak up, don't stay silent. Call out discrimination whenever you see it, even if it feels uncomfortable. Your voice matters. Small steps, big impact. Every action, however small, contributes to a ripple effect of change. From using inclusive language to advocating for fair policies, every step counts. Find common ground. Focus on shared values and build bridges of understanding to overcome prejudice. Lead by example. Treat everyone with respect and dignity, regardless of their background or beliefs. Your actions inspire others to do the same. Celebrate unity. Organize events, share stories, and create platforms where diverse voices can be heard and celebrated. Believe in change. Progress may be slow, but with persistent effort and collective action, we can create a world free from discrimination. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.